Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be sharing 15 sentences about the waterfall. Number 1. A waterfall is nature's beauty. Number 2. A waterfall is a natural stream of water flowing over a vertical drop. Number 3. It makes a soothing sound. Number 4. Birds fly around the waterfall. Number 5. The water sparkles in sunlight. Number 6. People visit to enjoy its view. Number 7. Trees surround many waterfalls. Number 8. Rainbows often appear near waterfalls. Number 9. The air feels fresh and cool. Number 10. A waterfall looks like a silver curtain. Number 11. Rocks near waterfalls are slippery. Number 12. Many waterfalls are homes to wildlife. Number 13. Some waterfalls are very tall. Number 14. Tourists take pictures of waterfalls. Number 15. They are a gift of nature to enjoy. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, kindly subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.